welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle JDK 1.7 in Manjaro Linux 17.1 without uninstalling the OpenJDK. Here is the basic information about my system. Manjaro Linux 17.1 is a virtual machine with 8 GB RAM and kernel version is 4.14. Now I am going to extract Oracle JDK 1.7 update 80, which is already downloaded from Oracle's website. For Linux environment, tar.gzip file is used. So I am going to extract Oracle JDK 1.7 to my home folder. Let us navigate the Oracle JDK 1.7 folder. Good. So extracted successfully. Now I am opening the terminal. Now I am checking whether any Java is installed. So Java version will give you the OpenJDK version which is installed already. So this release 17.1 by default supplies OpenJDK 1.8 update 172. Now I am going to disable the OpenJDK. Before that, know the command Oracle Linux Java status, which will give the details about the JDK. Now Oracle Linux Java unset will disable the OpenJDK. So Java version version if you give means command not found will be the result. Yes, so now OpenJDK 8 was disabled. Now I am going to configure Oracle JDK 1.7. So I am copying the Oracle JDK 1.7 installed path. So I have to update in the .profile file. So here export Java home will be the JDK 1.7 installation path. So I am appending the Java home to the system path. So make sure that settings as it is shown in the video. So at last line I am exporting the path. Now I'll open in the terminal again. Source.profile will load the current profile settings. So now you can see that Java version 1.7 is enabled. Java C 1.7 is enabled. So JDK 1.7 installation was successful in Manjaro Linux. Subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Goodbye.